guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Jessica. I run a flower farm called Bluff Point Blooms, and this is the second video in a series that I'm doing to document the build of the 1938 Dodge flower truck. So the last 2 weeks have been pretty crazy. I haven't had a whole lot of time to work on the truck, and that's because we were anticipating Mother's Day of being here, and that's a pretty big flower holiday for us. I had a lot of tulips to harvest. I had 2 events that I was participating in. And then later in the week, I had somebody order 20 table centerpiece arrangements. And even though that Mother's Day holiday is over with, things don't look to be slowing down anytime soon, because now it means that I've got to get the field prepped and I've got all my summer flowers to get planted. So if you want to follow along, I'll include some footage of some of the sales that I did. I did have a little bit of flowers left over for Mother's Day, and what better way to use those than to dream and imagine my truck filled with flowers. So that is a little fun piece that I put together so that I could see exactly what I have to look forward to.
Oh, you know what? I got a fun job. Okay, come here. Yeah. Okay. So this is going to be kind of like a display for this, right? So
Was able to accomplish a few small things in the truck, mainly cleaning out the cab. The headliner used to be up here, so I did a couple time-lapse videos of me taking that out, all the trim that held those pieces in, and a few other things. So follow along, and here's a small snippet of progress in the long range of what we're going to be doing with this truck. So the first step when cleaning the cab out here is I remove the seat back from the truck. To do that, I actually had to drill it out where it's mounted here below this window. They used flathead screws to mount these in, and they were really rusted in. There was no amount of penetrating oil that was going to let me break those free. So I just made the job easier on myself and drilled them out and went from there. The next thing I did is I removed all the trim that was along the top of this window and down the side of the door there, along the top of the windshield here, and that allowed me to remove the headliner and the cab liner that was in the corners of the truck here. They were absolutely disgusting. In fact, if you guys could see my scalp after I had done this job, it was gross. It was black, it was chunky, it was the nastiest thing ever. In fact, you might even get a few chuckles over the faces that I was making in some of the time lapse of this thing, because it was really gross. In fact, I could feel everything falling down into my hair afterwards. I guess in hindsight, maybe I should have been wearing my hat in the video, which, you know, I wasn't. Usually I am wearing it. But anyhow, here's the video. Enjoy.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
you followed along this far, thanks for watching. I guess to finalize this video, I'm not quite sure what's coming next. I did make a list though, and this is on the back of a Rock Auto box in true Freiberger and Finnegan fashion, which is one of our favorite shows on Roadkill. And it's just a little small, you know, checklist of some of the things that we want to accomplish with the truck. So here's a better glimpse of the list. It's by no means comprehensive. Lord knows that this is a ton of hours of work that I've got to accomplish on the truck, and I've definitely got limited time to work on that with everything that I need to accomplish at home and on the farm. But one of the first things I'd like to do is start in and remove the bed, remove the cab. I'd like to get the frame stripped and sent out for sandblast, and then I can start considering my options of either painting it or powder coating. I'd like to leave it as a rolling chassis for now. It just makes, you know, if we need to move it around, a lot easier. If we could keep it as a running chassis, that would be fantastic. So, you know, if you watched in the last video, we pickled the engine. It does turn over. And that's another future video that I have to put together for you guys. If I can get a starter on it, carburetor set up and such, there's a potential that maybe we can get it running, which is something that would be amazing. And then once all of that's taken care of, as far as fuel system, brakes, things like that need to be taken care of with the frame, I can go ahead and start putting some time into this cab. Now the cab's going to need quite a bit of metal and fab work, and I'll take you along right now to show you this dash. This dash it's pretty gnarly. It's really crusty, especially over there. It's really crusty up here. This is all the wiper motor access. A lot of it is missing pieces. I believe these are vacuum wipers, which is, you know, definitely not something I want to go back to. We're going to look into putting an electric system in here, so we'll have to do a little bit of research and measuring and fitment for that. Otherwise, we're going to do the good old Rain-X job on there and hope and a prayer. But like I said, I've got my work cut out for me, and looking forward to bringing you guys along with that journey. So thanks again for following along. Feel free to like this video and subscribe to follow along for more content. In the next couple of weeks, my husband and I are planning on actually doing a trip to one of the junkyards that we know of that's got quite a bit of 30 stuff. So that might actually be a fun video to take you along on our journey and see what it is that we could find. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Wait till you see her.